What is going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here, just getting to the woods. I worked last night, so it's the day after Thanksgiving, and we got a windy, blustery day. It's about 35-ish or so. Like I said, heavy winds, probably like 15, 20 mile an hour winds. A little bit of snow coming on and off, so just a rough day for squirrel hunting, but we're gonna give it the old college try. Get out here, stomp around, see what happens. I just want to get outside, get a little exercise. You know, maybe we'll get lucky. Today we're hunting with the Ruger 77-22 and 22 Winchester Magnum. So just a little bit faster shooting. I think this is the 36 grain hollow points I think I have in here. But yeah, just a little bit faster shooting to deal with the wind, longer ranges because the leaves are all down. And yeah, just a nice carry around the woods rifle. We're not going to do any camping today. We're just going to move slow. Hopefully spot a squirrel. Hopefully get a shot. See what happens. Stay tuned. God, this wind. Definitely hit him. Freaking wind, man. Everything's blowing everything around. Let's go. Let's see if we can't recover this guy. Positive we hit him. Oh shoot, man, he's still alive. We're gonna go ahead and dispatch him. Yeah, shot him right there in the kind of the gut. We're gonna go ahead and dispatch him quick. Hi, we got to finish him off. Bad shot on my part, man. It is a windy day. Oh yeah, yeah. We kind of chest gut shot him right there, and then we just finished him off with a headshot. Oh, sweet, man, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, there we go, man. First squirrel. We ended up shooting him kind of in the chest, or back behind the chest into the gut. Didn't quite kill him. We had to finish him off, dispatch him with a headshot. So, but he's down. First squirrel. We got a crazy windy day today. It was snowing for a little bit there, and but we're just moving slow, man. A lot of guys will say, you know, don't go out on a windy day. It's not worth it, but they'll be out on a windy day, man. They're just not really moving. You know, you might catch them on the ground, but a lot of times you'll catch them in the trees, just kind of hanging out on a branch, maybe nibbling on a nut. And if you got some good glass or good eyes or whatever, you might be able to spot the tail. You know, tail, especially on a windy day, it's kind of blowing around. So, but yeah. Been out here for less than an hour. I think it's just before 1 o'clock. We're gonna continue on and hopefully bag another one, man. I'm happy with one on a day like today. Again, using the Winchester Magnum rimfire. Just shoots a little harder, a little faster. It's gonna buck less with the wind. So, and we got that line of sight, or point of aim, point of impact range, longer range with this. You don't have to worry about holdover or anything until you get out to maybe 80-90 yards. Everything pretty much from, like, I don't know, 20 to 80-90 yards is point of aim, point of impact, because we're very flat shooting. Takes a little bit of time for it to get to that initial first zero, that near zero, but once you hit that, it's pretty flat shooting until it starts to drop, probably, like I said, after 80 or 90 yards. All right, let's continue on. Looks like we got a scrape right there. Got some deer poos in it, but maybe a buck made that scrape, and then peed on it, and then took a dump on it. Alright folks, it's just before 3 o'clock. I just looked at the weather app. We got like 25-mile-an-hour winds. It's pretty brutal out here. But yeah, I'm just gonna call it quits, man. We got one. I'm happy with that on a windy day like today. So, but as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.